Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can open UK business bank account as a non-resident. So here is the answer to your question. UK residency isn't legally required to open a business bank account. So banks, however, are wary about working with non-residents because of the extra administration and possible exposure to fraud. So, if at least one resident director lives in the UK, you will find that more banks are able to work with you. So, if you don't have any company directors resident in the UK, then an international business bank account is your best option. However, this can come with a steep minimum deposit, so it won't suit everyone. So, here, if you also want to discover more, so you can just read all these. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!